comment down below kung anong English ng mangunguha. I'm going to harvest na lang. Ano? Kidnapper daw, English ng mangunguha. I'm going to get some eggplant dito sa aking mga tanim. Ano ulit sabi?
On a farm, we wake up early, feed the cows and the sheep so curly. The sun is bright, the sky is blue. Lots of work for me and you. Farm life, got my fun and free. On the farm, so much to see. Animals, fields and big blue skies. Farm life is a big surprise. Hens lay eggs, pigs play in mud. Fields are green, flowers in bud. Ride a tractor, plant some seeds. On the farm, we do good deeds. Farm life, got my fun and free. On the farm, so much to see. Animals, fields and big blue skies. Farm life is a big surprise. Milking cows, picking corn. On the farm, we work from morn. Feed the horses, pet the cats. On the farm, we wear our hats. Farm life, got my fun and free. On the farm, so much to see. Animals, fields and big blue skies. Farm life is a big surprise. At the end of the day, the sun goes down. Stars come out night all around. Rest and sleep, dreams so sweet. On the farm, life is neat.
Mag-guys ka na.
At saka kalutong ka rin dito. Luto yung maging kuhan.
Mabuhay guys, kalungon ak. Hindi na mo na kanya liog.
Pal yan eh.
Alam mo ito?
Talaga bantay.
Ito. Natas ng tagarla. At ito ko sa luto.
Suwato na ko.
So, hi guys, good morning. Nandito ka mangan.
Guys, hello.